Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Infinix. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll down and choose Security section. Now scroll down again, click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then choose Next and create it. If you made a mistake, you can always click on Clear at the bottom left corner. Then create your login method again. When you're ready, choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat your login method in order to confirm it, and choose Confirm. From here, click on one of those options to set up the best one for lock screen notifications. Show notification content, show notifications but hide content, or don't show lock screen notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and choose Done. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to delete your login method, click on Screen Lock, enter it, and tap on None. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!